Here is the sample problem that I said I would post, so I thought I'd do a little video since I'm going to go through it anyway. Various options on how to do this if we're going to solve it. I'm just going to go ahead and make the lead term 1. I think it makes it slightly easier, so I'm going to do 4x squared minus 10x minus 22 is equal to 0, and I'm going to divide everything by 4 here, okay? So I'm going to get x squared minus 10/4 x, and I'm not going to simplify this right now, minus 22 over 4, I'm not going to simplify that either, is equal to 0. 0 divided by 4 is also 0. Okay, next I'm going to move the 22/4 to the other side, so I'm going to get x squared minus 10/4 x, I'm going to leave a space here, is equal to 22/4. All right, next I'm going to find, because the lead term here is 1, right, x squared. The square root of x squared is just x, so that's my lead term inside of my perfect square. And then I'm going to take half of 10/4. Now this is why. Okay, I can take half of 10, that's 5, and then how big are those pieces? They're fourths, so I get half of that, so 5/4. This is why. If I would have made this 5 halves, then I would have to take half of 5 halves, and then I'd have to turn it back into 10/4. So I'm just leaving it like that. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for to get squared. Okay, so 5/4 squared, so 5 squared is 25, okay, and 4 squared is 16. So now I need to add 25/16 to this side as well. Okay, so I'm going to get x minus 5/4 squared is equal to, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this. This is fourths, and I need it to be 16ths so that I can combine my pieces. So 22/4 becomes 88/16, okay, plus 25/16 is going to give me x minus 5/4, okay, squared is equal to 88 and 25 is 113 over 16. Okay. Next, I'm going to take the square root of both sides, so I get x minus 5/4 is equal to, well, the square root of 13 is just going to, or 113 is just radical 113 plus or minus. Okay, and the square root of 16 is 4. All right. Next, I'm just going to add 5/4 to both sides, so I get x is equal to 5/4 plus or minus radical 113 over 4. Okay, or if you wanted to, you could combine this, okay, so that it looks like x equals 5 plus or minus radical 113, and then the whole denominator is 4 since these are both the same. Okay, so there you go. All right, that's the solution to this one.